everybody and welcome to my video. So today I'm going to be doing a Cupshe blue swimwear haul. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do enjoy this video, please leave a massive like, subscribe and comment videos that you'd like to see. My Instagram is EmilyMonks1 and my Snapchat is EMO112. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first item from Cupshe is in this gorgeous little package, and this is a yellow floral piece. So it's a bikini, it's got lovely lace on it, it's a yellow colour, it's got little palms on it, it's perfect for a tropical holiday. It's very beautiful and it'll go with any skin tone and any hair colour. That's what the top looks like. It's got a fasten on the back which just slots like that. It's very pretty, it's got adjustable straps, and I think it's perfect for spring and summer. And this is what the bottoms look like. They're very small and very cute. That's the front. This is a beautiful set. I'm excited to try this. This is what the first piece looks like. It's really beautiful. Shows off all of your abs. It fits me really nicely. It's lovely and tight, and I like the way the strap comes above the hips. I think it's a really sexy piece. I love the triangular cups on it, and I love the lace on it as well. It's really beautiful. Next up, we have this heart piece. Oh my god, the tags are stuck. And this is what it looks like. It's this gorgeous little triangle heart piece. It's red with white hearts, and it's very thin. It's got a very thin strap on the back so you won't get bikini lines, and the straps just go like this. You just hook it on. So yeah, this is really pretty, and I think it's very lightweight for putting in your case as well. This is what the bottoms look like. They're just a thong bottoms, which are really beautiful, and this is in an extra small. This is what the next piece looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is my favourite piece of the whole set. I love the hearts on it. I think it's really cute, really fun and really sexy. Next up, I love this one. It's like a colourless piece. It's this green bandeau top, and it's like a tartan green, which is really pretty. I like it a lot, and it just comes with these black bottoms, and I think this is such like a tomboy cool piece. And this is a strap that you can put on the top around your neck, so it can be a bit more tighter and you're a bit more secure. I absolutely adore this piece. This is also an extra small, and it's got padding in the boobs. It's got the gorgeous little bow on the front, which you can take off, but I'm not going to. And that's what it looks like. It's really beautiful. Next up we have this one. Next is this polka dot set, and this is like 101 Dalmatian set. Really cute. It's got this one. It's white and black polka dot. It's really beautiful. It's the same kind of fit as the heart piece. It's got this clip at the back. All of the metal on this swimsuit is silver, so it all goes together. I think it's very clean cut, very neat and sleek. It's a gorgeous little set. And this is what the pants look like. I think this is really, really stylish. And again, this is an extra small. Again, this is such an amazing piece out of the haul. It's just like the heart one. It's really, really beautiful. I love the design. It's really gorgeous and I love it. I like the straps on it, I like the bands on it, and I like how the briefs look. Next up we have this tartan, all in gingham. So the bottoms are just this black pair of briefs, and these are extra small. They're inside out. This is what they look like. They're very, very thick, and the material feels really, really good. And the top is this like triangular piece. It's this. It has triangles and it has the strung band around the waist, and then it's got this crisscross detail at the back where you can tighten it or loosen it, whichever you like. Also, the straps are adjustable, so Cupshe's bikinis always fit to you. You can always adjust them here and there to make them fit nicer. The next bikini looks like this. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is going to be an essential in my summer wardrobe. And the last piece is this red lace piece. So this is what the top looks like. It has this gorgeous knot front top, and then it has this little band that goes around your waist with the lace on it, which is really, really cute. I like it. And this is what the pants look like. They're just normal briefs, knotted at the side. Yeah, knotted twice at each side. And this like waffle material, the really, really high quality material, very strong, and these are an extra small. These are really beautiful. I like these. Next up we have this really cool piece. I love the lace detail on it and I love the cups. It gives your boobs a proper shove. It's making me look like I have something up here when I don't really do. I like the way it looks around this area. I like how high these come up and I like the back of this swimsuit. I think it's really beautiful. And I love a red swimsuit. Sadly everybody, have come to the end of this video. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a massive like, subscribe and comment videos that you'd like to see. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching. My Instagram is EmilyMonks1 and my Snapchat is EMO112, so follow me on there so I can keep you updated. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching.